Nityanandam. I welcome all of you for this live broadcast of Akashic Readings, the revelation of past, present, and future happening here. Now, what you're seeing is the Akashic Readings, the cosmic archives being revealed through the bodies of the Balasans of Nityananda Gurukul. Akashic readings are the records of everything that's happening. Akashic records are there available about anything and everything. See, whatever has happened in the past, any situation, including the smell of the atmosphere, the smell of the place, and the temperature of the place, and what kind of situation it was, what kind of thought current the people had, everything is getting recorded. And because future is predetermined, listen carefully, I'm telling future is predetermined. So the past exactly manifests itself, repeats itself as your future. So because of that, we have the future also recorded in the space. This whole Akashic records is not very easily accessible by everyone. Only those people who are established in that space of Sadashivam, or who are with the strong feeling connection with the Master, in the space of Guru Bhakti with the Master, they will be able to manifest it and they will be able to see it. Because all it requires is high integrity within yourself. This science is now available for everyone. Swamiji is initiating as whomsoever comes into this power. Swamiji Paramahamsa Nityananda is continuously giving Shaktis to so many people. Today morning he declared that he is going to be giving 2017 people by the end of this year the initiation of all the powers that Sadashiva was described, all the 400 powers that Sadashiva was described in the Agamas. So here what you're seeing are the new species. Swamiji told clearly that he's not going to use the words Balasans anymore. He's going to use the word new species because we are really new species. Not the people who have been evolved from human beings, but totally new species are themselves. The very DNA is changing. I know it will be maybe very surprising for all of you when I tell this, but that is the truth. The very DNA which is there, itself Swamiji is changing into a new one. Maybe in a short while you all also might come to know with scientific records, with scientific studies about how the new DNA is going to be. Just come along with me, let us witness what is happening. So many people from various parts of the world come here and get their Akashic readings. What the kids do is, they sit in that space of Sadashiva and they start establishing themselves in the space of Guru Bhakti, the feeling connection with the Master. Once they are established in that space, then automatically the whole being integrates itself and the power starts manifesting. You can see what is happening here right now. So many people continuously getting their Akashic revealed them. It's something very rare in the world. As far as what I have read so many books, I've gone through so many links, and I've heard about so many people's experiences and whatever. I've seen so many gurus, so many different things. But this is one of the most rarest happening. It has never happened as far as what I know. At a time, a mass of beings getting initiated and turning into new species and manifesting so many different powers, so many different Shaktis, and continuously reading the Akashic cards for whomsoever walks in. You can see again and again continuously people are just walking in, and out of this so many people we don't even know. That is the most surprising thing. See, if I know you and I'm talking to you and telling you this is what your life is going to be and this is what is your problem, it's of course you can conclude telling no, it's logical, it's coming out of logic. What are the people who are totally new? We don't know who they are, nothing, we have no idea about them. They coming and they're asking very personal questions that they are having within themselves. How will it be? When we are able to exactly answer to the point of what happened in their past and what is the reason and what is the solution for their future. We are able to exactly answer this. This is not a joke. There are so many Balasans here who even started manifesting other extraordinary powers just after this initiation, just after they got initiated into this Akashic readings. Materialization powers and powers such as long distance seeing, sitting here and telling what is happening there, and of course looking at past, present and future itself is not a joke. Who can, even youth remembering your past will be out of your own incompletions, your own cognitions, but here kids are able to just look at what exactly happened in the past and tell it to you, and kids are able to tell exact things, just whatever you ask, exactly to the point. So this whole exciting happening has happened here. Just walk along with me so that you can see whatever is happening here.
She does not have any opinion. She makes
Actually, the kids here look at the mirror here and see this Murti of Swamiji, which is situated here, and reveal the Akashic records. Now, these Akashic records, these Akashic readings, what is the necessity for us to have it read for ourselves? See, understand, there are so many things, so many questions all of us carry. Just you think, in a day, how many times do you think within yourself, okay, I don't feel this is right, or you feel something strange in me. I don't know why I get this feeling, but I keep on getting this feeling. I feel so heavy about myself. I don't know why, I have no idea. Or sometimes you think like, oh, I don't know, I'm depressed. I have no clue I am depressed because I have everything around me, but yet I am depressed. And what you may start reasoning, giving different reasons, but how many ever reasons you give, you still feel empty within you. All these questions just there inside you need to get answered. They have to have an answer. You cannot randomly put the blame on each thing, telling, okay, I'm feeling empty like this because I don't have a car. I'm feeling empty like this because my friend is like this. You cannot feel like that. You cannot give reasons like that. The exact feelings that you are having within you, the exact questions that you are having within you need to get answered. Only then you are living your life. See, it's exactly like there's a big bungalow and you're given that whole bungalow and you're living inside it. And what do? You go lock yourself up inside a small room and think that is only your whole house, struggle in that, wish for a big house, do everything without even opening the door. How else are you going to know what huge house you're inside? Really, that's the way we exist. We don't bother to look in of what other possibilities are there in us. That is why the day-to-day problems, the basic problems that we are facing is nothing because our possibilities are not revealed to us. We don't reveal our possibilities to ourselves. We don't express our possibilities. We don't express the powers that is locked up inside us. So we go on telling, okay, I'm feeling bored. Yes, you will obviously feel bored if the energy inside you is not utilized. You will feel empty because you still think low about yourself. Such a huge house is there waiting for you. All you need to do is open the door out and step out of your room to see and experience your whole house. You lock yourself up inside the room. You Stuff your room with so many things and think, okay, this much is only my space. See, God is so ungrateful. He's so sadistic. He's not at all letting me enjoy. He's giving me all this problem. He's giving me this. He's giving me that. I have so many stuff to do. But I have such a small room. Who asked you to go and lock yourself up there? It's you who went and locked yourself up in the room. And when the possibility is shown to you, you're not ready to open up. But there needs to be someone who needs to tell us that the key is here and this is the key, this is the way to open the door. Or better, open the door for us. Who's that person who's going to open the door for us? We all are feeling bored, we are feeling too sick of the life that we're living. We may think that we're happy, but when exactly we're living, we don't really feel happy. We have so many desires, we think, okay, if this gets fulfilled, I'll be happy. Somehow, we don't feel that inside us. What is that exactly? Which is there in you and it is missing everything and which is feeling so restricted? And who has the key for it? Yes, it is our master. It is a guru who happens in our life. In all our lives, there is a moment when the guru happens. He may not be in a particular form that you may visualize, but he will be the highest expression that you can even imagine of. He'll be a living embodiment of you, your highest self. He'll be a living embodiment of that and give you that experience. He'll be able to transmit that experience to you. No, that guru happens in all our lives. That door is knocked every time. That door is knocked for all of us. We have to open it. We have to be ready to accept it. And now Swami just made it even more easier. You don't need to do anything. For past so many programs, there's nothing that we have got to do at all. All that we need to do is go, just be physically available, and Swami will do everything for us. And if you are an IA grad, you're most luckiest. Swamiji is going to open a 50-day yatra to you. Be with him, be around him, enjoy, and get the whole experience. Swamiji told it's going to be much more powerful even than Sadashivam. Sadashivam was the greatest happening ever until now. It was a huge spiritual blast that happened very recently, this December, and it was such a huge blast that all the people, 85% people started manifesting at least one power. They really started manifesting it. 85% of them. And out of that, 50% of them were all new people who just walked in. So this whole huge possibility got awakened. Such a huge thing happened. And again, Swamiji is telling that this yatra which is going to come, which will be a 50-day yatra, is open for all the IA grads, and just after the yatra, you all will be telling that is much more powerful than Sadashivam himself. See, actually, all the Balasans here, all of us, all the new species, we start manifesting only after the entanglement that happens. See, entanglement is very, very, very important. Only when, like for example, if there is that light can get connected and can turn on only when the plug is plugged into the switchboard. Only when the electricity runs. The light might have all the mechanism, but only when it is plugged in, it's going to light. Same way. Of course, our system has the whole mechanism in it, but only when the energy, the initiation is given to us and continuous supply is given to us, we'll be able to start manifesting. Of course, before this light being given to us, it was tested a few times. The whole research was done. Only after the whole research and only when it was completely ready, it was given to the market and we got it. Same way, even when we start training ourselves, when we start blossoming, the whole ambience need to support us and the whole being needs to start blossoming and just the powers should start expressing through us. This thing can happen only when you live in the breathing space of the living master. It's just like when the banyan sapling is small, when it's a sapling, it needs to be given some protection. Otherwise, any goat can come and eat it away. It can die. But if the right ambience, right temperature, right things are provided to it, it'll grow into a huge tree. It'll be so rooted, be so grounded, such that no one can shake it. That's exactly what will happen to you. When you live in the breathing space of the Master, when you are continuously in entanglement with Him, when you just enjoy His presence, when you just connect to Him and you are enjoying the feeling connection with Him, suddenly you'll see a new seed starts sprouting in you. A new sapling starts growing. Until the time the sapling becomes at least a plant, a proper plant, you have to be in the breathing space of the Master physically so that He can protect you through all the ways. And once you're completely done, then even if you go out of the physical breathing space and yet be connected to the Master, you will see amazing power starts manifesting through you. Now that whole possibility is brought to you in this 50-day yatra. It's not a joke. It's 50-day yatra and it is for free for all the IA grads. Swamiji himself is going to come to all the homes and going to accept physical Pada Puja. Sadashiva himself coming and accepting Pada Puja in our homes is going to happen. So be prepared for that Pada Yatra and be prepared to join us in this Yatra. Every day and also every day we have this Akashic readings read here. You can come here physically and you can have your Akashic readings read, or you can send your name and your details and you can sign up in the link which is available about Akashic readings. Sign up in that and you can simply register and have a Zoom video link and you can have your Akashic readings read. But your Akashic readings will not be listened by us, or we are not going to hear it. So you can be telling anything, any personal question that you have also you can tell us. And the person who is revealing it to you, the Balasans who will be revealing it to you, even they won't remember. Actually, it was such a nice thing. I had a question and I went and asked in the Akashic. I thought, I just wanted to test whether the Balasans is going to really remember it or not. And it was about that Balasan itself. I asked a question and I got the answer also. After the whole Akashic reading session was over, then again I went to her and asked her whether, I didn't directly ask her. I just made a sentence along with the way how I asked. I just told her. And it was as if she didn't know anything. And then I asked her really like, whether do you remember? And she's like, what? You really came and asked? I don't remember anything. It'll be like I'm in a different body totally. I was shocked. And only when I experienced it, I understood it will be totally different. It will be a totally different energy landing inside your body. Because it's not just you, 1,000 times powerful than you. The real you is going to land inside you. Lord Kalabhaiva's energy will land inside you. Swamiji's energy will land inside you. And you will be able to see the Akashic readings and you will be able to reveal it. So this is what all the kids were doing, and they're continuously giving their Akashic readings, revealing Akashic readings to all the people there. You can just see it. So many people from so many various parts of the world. And the whole thing is, many of them are so totally new. They're coming first time, they're walking first time into the ashram. What the kids exactly do is, they first start the whole session with the puja. This puja to the master, Guru Puja, will bring the whole feeling connection and get them into complete integrity with themselves.
You have to drop the very idea that you are.
See, understand, right now, however we are just
That is the reason.
into pieces. We share the different ideas that we have. We are not together. We are not inside us. There are so many parts. You will also see one part will have one desire, while the other part, like for example, just waking up early in the morning. At one point, you will think, yes, I have to somehow wake up. I'm going to keep so many alarms and I'll wake up. I'll jump out of the bed and I'll wake up. I'll do everything. I'll go to do yoga. I'll do everything. But when that morning really happens, what do you do?
Don't ever have a thought or encourage a thought.
You simply tell that no, you just snooze the alarm. You just don't wake up. The two different desires that's happening, or two different decisions that's happening, is because you are not in integrity within you.
Once more.
But when you do Guru Puja, when you establish that feeling connection with the Master, your whole being gets into integrity. You just become one unit. The different parts which is there within you gets into oneness. It just like gets into unity. And when you are doing anything from this space, automatically you will be able to manifest different powers. You'll be able to do anything that you will. So the whole Akashic reading session commences with Guru Puja. Once the kids finish Guru Puja, they come and they sit literally like deities.
Yes. Stay here for a few days.
Once they sit like deities and they allow the cosmic energy to flow through them. Anyone comes and asks any type of question, they'll just look into the mirror and see Swamiji's Murti, and the whole answer for all their questions appear as golden letters on Swamiji's Murti. And they'll just read out the whole thing. The questions may be whatever type, but the answer that this Balacents will give through the Akashic readings will be to the point. People get blessings, people get healing, so many things happen here. And the whole thing is the kid sees Swamiji's Murti in the mirror, that too, not even physically. They see it in the mirror and they'll be able to see the golden letters appear on the mirror, on Swamiji's Murti's reflection. Just in the reflection they'll be able to see it and they'll be able to reveal it. People even find out about lost objects. People find out about so many things. And the whole thing is functioning because of the gratitude and the feeling connection that they have towards Swamiji. Nothing else.
Start from the source. So like feeding
people just walk in like this and ask the questions that they have and get to know about so many things that they never even thought that it will be like this. Now, when you get all these questions answered within you, the amazing powerfulness that you feel inside yourself is completely different, because you get a satisfaction that your questions, the questions that you are waiting to get answers for, is just being revealed to you. And when you come in the breathing space of these kids, you'll actually get into entanglement with Swamiji just like how they have. You can just see here like how the kids are able to entangle the people who are right in front of them. The feeling connection what they have towards Swamiji will be exactly mirrored even into these people's brains. The whole secret behind this is nothing but the integrity that you have towards your master, integrity that you have towards Swamiji. That's all. The whole thing boils down to just integrity. Because the moment you are in integrity, the power that manifests through you, God, it's amazing. New people, old people, people who are having some problem, or people who come for blessing. Like there's so many things. People come here and have their Akashic readings revealed.
SMS and all that, she has no answers. You have to know if everything is all right. So yes,
Even you can come here and have your Akashic readings revealed and have know any question that you have from your past, present or future, and experience that entanglement that the kids have with Swamiji, just like how they have when you can experience that space by coming here. You can log in, just register in that link, or you yourself can come here physically and get your Akashic readings done physically.